Hi, I'm Nitya from EdRoboVate. So from today, I'm going to start a new series on Tinkercad. You might wonder what is Tinkercad. Alright, Tinkercad is a 3D designing tool and you're going to develop your own projects using Tinkercad. And about this, you will be learning more on upcoming series. Okay, so before moving inside the series, I'm going to name this series as Think, Tinker, Design. And what it means, the description as follows. Fine, now you all know what Think, Tinker, Design mean. Alright, so let's move on. As I told, we are going to design a number of designs of 3D models using Tinkercad, and also we are giving a wonderful opportunity that you can draw a design name in the comment box where we are going to teach the same and you are going to learn the same. Okay, so for more details on EdRoboVate, we have accounts in different social media where you can follow us for more details like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. And please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming exciting videos. Also click on the bell button for quick notifications on new videos. Done? Okay, keep guessing what's next will be in the series and what new design I'm going to teach in the next series. Keep guessing, keep thinking, keep waiting. Thank you.